Sam Milby, na-diagnose na may autoimmune diabetes. Isang bad news para kay Sam Milby ang ma-diagnose siya na may autoimmune diabetes. Sa event ng Cornerstone Entertainment, dito ibinahagi at kinumpirma ni Sam Milby na mayroon siyang type 1.5 autoimmune diabetes. Sa kanyang panayam, dito na kinamusta ang kanyang trabaho at ang sagot ni Sam, "I'm staying busy, but health-wise, it's been a bit, medyo hindi." Pagbabahagi pa ng aktor na nalaman niyang mayroon siyang type 1.5 diabetes matapos siyang sumailalim sa isang general checkup sa Singapore kamakailan. Aniya, "I had my checkup also in Singapore and the two doctors said that they'll do a blood test to make sure, and it was confirmed. It's called LADA, it's an autoimmune disease, and it means that I am diagnosed as type 2, but eventually, magiging type 1 ako." Malungkot si Sam sa bad news na ito tungkol sa kanyang kalusugan. Hindi niya kasi maintindihan kung paano niya ito nakuha dahil ang lolo't lola niya raw ay walang mga sakit na diabetes. Wika ni Sam, "It's part of my life. I have discipline naman sa pagkain but it was a bit surprising kasi para sa akin healthy naman akong tao. Nakakasad but it's a part of my life." Lola't lola walang diabetes. "I don't understand why. The doctor said that stress is actually a big factor on a lot of illnesses. I don't think I was that stressed for a while, I don't know." Say ng aktor. Dahil sa pagkakaroon ni Sam ng diabetes, sinisigurado ng aktor na siya ay physically active at kumain talaga ng mga healthy foods. Say niya, "I am trying to be more physically active. During pandemic, hindi masyado eh. I will do some push-ups and sit-ups pero cardio kulang eh. I've been playing pickleball for on and off 2 years. That's my cardio. Sometimes I run. Dagdag pa nito, eating habits, I'm pretty strict on my diet. The one thing that helps also is shirataki rice and shirataki pasta. Okay siya, masarap siya. That's a big help." Marami naman sa mga netizens ang nakarelate sa pinagdadaanan ngayon ng aktor. Ani pa nila na ang sakit na diabetes ay hindi talaga biro.